This is how we plant a plant.
Nice and warm. Gotta get the soap nice and bubbly. Rub the fronts, don't forget the backs, between the toes. Clean paws make for happy snacks later. A little rinse and shake. All sparkling. Thanks,
Alright, veggies, bath time. In you go, let's get the water running. Perfect. Give you a little swirl. Tomatoes first, nice and shiny. Carrots, don't be shy. All clean. Helper job done.
First step to a great salad, get everything squeaky clean. I like to give the peppers a little spin under the spray so every side gets shiny. Look at those leaves. They catch the water like tiny umbrellas. When the veggies sparkle back at you, you know they're ready.
Good night, friends.
Subscribe for more content.